If you want to know how to pay on GOG and complete your game purchase quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full checkout process step by step so you can add a game to your cart, choose a payment method, enter your details, and finish your order without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open GOG in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the store, browse for the game you want to buy. You can use the search bar if you already know the title, or you can explore the homepage, deals, and featured sections until you find the game you want. When you found the game, click Add to Cart. This places the game into your shopping cart so you can review it before paying. After that, look for the checkout option and click Checkout Now. This will take you to the payment page where you'll choose how you want to complete the purchase. On the payment screen, you'll see the available payment methods. Depending on your region, GOG may offer different options such as card payments or other supported checkout methods. Choose the one that works best for you. If the payment method requires card or billing information, enter your payment details carefully. Make sure everything is correct before moving forward, especially your card number, expiration date, and security code if required. Once your payment method is selected and your details are entered, review the order one more time. This is the best moment to check that you have the correct game, the right payment method, and the correct total amount. When everything looks good, click Checkout Order Now to finalize the purchase. Wait for the payment to process, and once it goes through, your order should be completed successfully. After that, you can head to your library and start downloading or installing your game. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to pay on GOG and finish your order from start to finish. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.